Hello and welcome to this mini JavaScript tutorial. In today's video, we'll discuss how we can declare variables in JavaScript. But before that, let's first discuss what a variable is. In JavaScript, a variable can be defined as a container for values. We'll not be getting into the underlying memory allocation mechanisms for that. We'll just restrict this video to the ways in which we can declare variables in JavaScript. So in older JavaScript syntax, we used a var keyword. So to declare a variable, we used the keyword var and then the variable name and assign it to some value. In this case, I've created a variable name and then assigned a value 10 to it. So if I console log the value of variable name, it will give me the value 10. This syntax was a very simple and straightforward syntax. But with the syntactical advancements in JavaScript, the ways to declare variables also evolved. So right now, we have two reserved keywords to declare variables in JavaScript. Those are let and consts. So if I were to declare a variable using the let keyword, the syntax would exactly be same. I would write let, a variable name, and assign it to a value. If I console log value, I would get still 10. So the ways of declaring a variable using let keyword or var keyword is pretty much same. It's also same in case of const keyword. So what actually is the difference? Let creates an JavaScript variable with a blocked scope. So what does a block scope mean? I've created a block, and if I put the declaration inside the block, I won't be able to access this variable outside the block. So logging the variable inside the block would give me 10, but if I try to access the variable outside the block, would give me a not defined error. Which means let creates a variable with a blocked scope. So if I use the older var keyword syntax, since we all know var creates a global scoped variable, so I would be able to access score here. There's one interesting thing here. Since var creates a global scoped variable, I would also be able to access score even before it is declared. So if I try to console log score even before it is declared, it would give me an undefined error. Which means JavaScript engine does know that there is some variable named score which is being declared at a later time in the code. So it's giving me an undefined error. It just doesn't know its value, but it knows there is a variable named score. If I change the declaration to let, I would get a not defined error, which means JavaScript doesn't recognize any variable named score. And it would be same case before and after the declaration if it's outside the scope of declaration. Then JavaScript variables are loosely typed. What does that mean? If I log the type of current score, it would give me a number. That means I have assigned a number value to score. I can then go ahead and assign a string to score, and it won't give me an error. If I console log the type of score, it has now changed to string, which means the variables are loosely typed and I can dynamically change the value and assignments on each variable. Now let's move on to the const keyword. Const keyword allows us to declare constant values in our application that aren't going to change. So if I change the declaration from let to const, the score variable will be a constant variable. So now I am getting an error of assignment to a constant variable, which means any variable which has been declared using a const keyword won't be able to be reassigned. So I won't be able to reassign any value to a const variable. And if I try to access the const variable outside the score, it would still give me a not defined error, which means const by default also creates a block scoped variable. But it's important to note that const keyword prevents a variable from reassigning, but it doesn't actually prevent the mutation of an object. So what do we mean by mutation? Mutation means the changing of the values or the property of an object. So if score is an object with a property name whose value is current, I cannot reassign the variable score, but I can change the value of property inside score. So I can write score.name is Rana. So the value for name property is Rana, and logging the variable score will give me the new variable. So const does prevent the reassignment of an variable, but doesn't actually prevent the mutation of the existing object. So I really hope you guys learned how to declare a variable in JavaScript and the difference between let and const keywords. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up on YouTube and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also follow me on Instagram at CodeWithKaran. Thank you.